morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is Bhavna Sharma. I am your speaking examiner. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am also good. May I know your full name, please?
My name is Ankit Malik.
How may I address you?
You may address me by my first name, Ankit.
Okay, Ankit. Where are you from?
Ma'am, I belong to Video Ramnagar, which is located in district Jind in Haryana, India.
Okay, now let's talk about pets and animals. Do you keep pets at your home?
No, I am not keeping any pet at my home because I have to do a lot of work, so I am not able to keep any pet. But in future, I will definitely keep a pet because I am a pet lover.
Okay, what's about the people in your country? Do they keep pets at their home?
Yes, in my country there are a lot of people who like to keep pet because they are very familiar and as well as they are like also protectors for humans, like dogs can be set as a security guard.
Okay, which one is your favorite animal and why?
Well, my favorite animal is lion because he is the king of the jungle, and I saw a lion in National Zoo of Delhi, and his walking was very great, and even after being in the zoo behind the cage, he was still like dangerous.
Okay. Do you also know about other wild animals apart
Yes.
from lion?
Yes, I know a lot of because I like to watch wildlife in Discovery Channel, and I know rhinoceros and elephant as well because they are essential part of our ecosystem and food chain.
Okay, good. Now let's talk about shoes. Do you often buy shoes?
Yes, I like to buy shoes because I am an athlete, and day to day, when my shoes got broken or torn, I like to buy from online because I need football shoes with time to time.
Okay. Have you ever bought shoes online?
Yes, I recently bought shoes from online, and there were a lot of variety of shoes I saw, and I bought a Nike shoes, football stud, which is also presented by Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay, very good. What is your favorite color?
Well, my favorite color is blue because I am, as I already mentioned, a sportsman, and my favorite team is Indian and Argentine, which is of football. And Indian team wear blue jersey, and as well as the national players of Argentina football team wear jersey.
Okay, good. Is there any color which you dislike?
Well, there is no color which I dislike because color make our environment and nature beautiful and makes creativity of our mind also enlarged, and I like every type of color, whether it is a blue, yellow or black.
Okay, now let's talk about weather. Which is your favorite weather and why?
Well, my favorite weather is winter because in this weather I can play football every time, and as well as I can go wherever I want, and at any time, even in the daylight, because in summer we cannot out at daytime.
Okay. How many seasons do you experience in your country?
India is a very good country for every season, and there are many types of season like whether it is rainy, summer, autumn and winter can be seen here, and I like the most which I already mentioned is winter.
Okay, this is end of your speaking part 1. Now let's move to the second section. As you know very well, firstly I will provide you a cue card topic, and after that you will have to prepare that topic in 1 minute only, and after preparing you will have to speak on that topic for 2 to 3 minutes. Clear? So now let's start. Your cue card topic is describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. Cues are who this person is, how often this person helps others, how this person helps others, why this person helps others, how you feel about this person. Clear? So you have just 1 minute only to prepare your cue card. Please prepare your cue card.
Well, helping anyone is one of the best thing in human's life, and when we help others, God help him by himself, and he always provide the person who is helping by his good karma, and by this we can see the personality of other person, that how he is and how he reacts to the world. But here I would like to talk about one of my best friend who is very helpful to others and as well as for me. and he is my younger brother Jitesh Malik, and I knew him since childhood, and he is a very great player of cricket also. But he also not helps me in cricket, but as well as in other works, and not only me but also others like my parents and other neighbors too. Whenever I have to go to somewhere, he always drops me there, and as well as whenever he is going alone somewhere and someone asks from him for lift, he also always help him. And his family background is very good financially and as well as in respected family. Whenever any occasion came of or festival of Diwali or Holi, etc., his family always contribute to the village and always give everyone who are from poor family by giving them gifts or any other kind of clothes and sweets as well. And he is not egoish, and he is like a diamond for me, because I am not able to play cricket as very well, but whenever he comes from his coaching institute in Sirsa in holidays, he always teach me that you should do this or this so that your bowling and cricket will be very good and you will enhance your cricketing skills and as well as many other things. He always would build me with confidence, because I have lack of confidence.
Okay, please stop now. Very good. Now let's move to the third section. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Do people nowadays help others more than in the past?
No, I do not think so, because nowadays people are more selfish as compared to the past. Because in past there were many freedom fighters who fought for the country and lead the country to a freedom nation. But nowadays people only like to do their work. They do not want to interfere or do not want to help others so that the other person will get success and they will get failure. Or also people are jealous from other success too.
Okay. Who should teach children to help others, parents or teachers?
I think both should play a role in children's build-up or in so that their future will be very good, whether in helping or any other thing. Because parents nowadays are saying to children that you should always get first or in your class, or you should get better marks in your class. But if this mentality make a children to a wrong way, because by this they will get more selfish in future. They may do wrong things to get first in class or any other field. So I think both should teach our children moral values in their life.
Very good. In what kind of professions do people help others more?
I think people help in day-to-day life more than the profession or in field, because as I already mentioned that people are jealous and selfish because of whenever someone gets successful life or successful job, they get jealous because they are not getting that thing. But some people are in our society can be seen that who are helpful to others even by giving them financial or any other help. And I think people should help everyone in every way so that their life get better and better.
Okay, why are some people willing to help others nowadays?
I think the main reason for this is they have not sufficient things or financial condition of helping others, unless there are many people who want to help others in every type of condition or situation. But I think those who are jealous and feel selfishness do not want to help others so that other people do not get success.
Okay, so this is